Today, I'm going to show you how to manage calls on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. First, you need to enable notifications for the phone app on your watch. To do this, open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone and tap Watch Settings, Notifications, App Notifications, Phone. Then, toggle on the switch next to Phone. When a call comes in, you'll see a notification on your watch. To answer the call, swipe right on the notification. To decline the call, swipe left. Once you're on a call, you can mute it by tapping the mute button on the screen. To end the call, tap the end call button. However, you can also use gestures to answer and decline calls. To enable this, open the Galaxy wearable app on your phone and tap Watch Settings, Advanced Features, Gestures. Then, toggle on the switches next to answer calls and dismiss alerts and calls. That's it for today's guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials.